Good afternoon, everybody. Alan from TFT Trailers. I hadn't posted on YouTube in a while, but I have a kind of a really cool sold unit that I'm fixing to deliver tomorrow. So I thought I'd better try and get a video up so everybody can kind of see. This is a 28-foot rollback gooseneck, as you can see. This trailer is rated at 12,000 pounds GVWR. Pretty much everything still operates the same. I'll go through the operation here in a little bit on a video and show you how everything works. You can see spare tire and wheel is mounted up in the neck. We've got the jack situation there in the middle. We've got the two recessed toolboxes in the floor, and these are the TFT toolboxes. We've got the winch plate mounted right there. This particular unit it's got 2, 4, 6 of the 6,000 pound swivel D-rings. And we also did the 2 full-length rows of E-track. This particular customer, I think he's going to haul a Mustang that's really low to the ground. And then I think he also has like a rock crawler and possibly a side-by-side that he'd haul together. Since this is the heavier unit, as you can see, it does also have the stay pockets and rub rail down both sides. And they are the Dexter axles. Torsion axles, 4-wheel brakes with the parking brake on the rear, kind of like our other standard rollback trailers are. Just a really nice unit, knife edge on the rear. It is a 28-foot. I think I said that already, but it is a 28-footer. Okay, operation of the trailer is very similar to our standard rollback. We've got the pin at the back that we pull, and then we remove the little safety pin. We are going to engage the parking brakes. Like I say, the parking brake is on the rear axle. And then up at the front, normally we have one pin that we will remove, but on a gooseneck, we actually have 2 pins, one on each side. And I do the same exact thing, lay them up here on the bumper so that you don't misplace them or lose them. As you can see, the travel on the gooseneck is quite a bit further. And yes, I'm being extremely careful because my hot rod is back there. And we are going to load that here in a minute. Okay. Now we're in the loading position. And it operates the same way, but like I say, the travel on the standard one is roughly about 5 foot on a bumper pull. But on the gooseneck, just kind of the way it works, our travel of our bed is about 9 foot. Okay, now we're going to load the my hot rod, the new TFT Trailers marketing vehicle. I'm going to get a look because I'm just curious. Oh, okay, gosh, there's plenty of room. I've got roughly, whatever that is, 4.5 inches, 4.5 inches, even less on this 28-foot gooseneck than it is on like a 20-foot bumper pull. On a 20-foot standard bumper pull, I've got about 2 inches of clearance as my front tires are actually starting to start up the actual unit. gonna stop right there. That's cool. I actually got plenty. I've got plenty of clearance above the fenders to open my doors. I don't know if y'all can tell or not, but I'm kind of fond of my new hot rod. Old man's hot rod. Oop. I'm gonna go back here. I'm gonna twist the pin so that as I pull forward, I want to be able to hear it engage and lock in place. Chassis.